how to use promo code on Taco Bell application. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Kate here, and on today's video we will learn how we can use promo code on Taco Bell application. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, install the Taco Bell application in your device, open it up, log in, or create an account. So once you're logged in, you will land on your home page. Here, you have to select your items that you would like to order, then add your items to your cart or the bag. Once you're here, head over to view my bag option from your home page. Once you have added your items on your bag, you land on your checkout page. Here, to apply the promo code, there's an option to add promo code. Tap on it. And here is a text field where you can apply your promo code. There you have to enter the code exactly as given with the correct characters. Once you're done with that, tap on apply, and if your code is valid, the discount will be reflected in your total before you pay for it. Once you do that, tap on checkout, then you may be prompted to enter your payment to finalize your order. That's it. That's how you can use promo code in Taco Bell application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.